Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy push pops. First, gather your essential supplies: fresh cotton candy, clear push pop containers, and any fun sprinkles you desire. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. A clean, organized workspace is also key to creating these delightful treats without any mess. Next, let's prepare the cotton candy. Carefully pull it apart into smaller, fluffy sections. You want to maintain its airy texture, so avoid pressing it down too firmly. Working quickly is important here, as cotton candy can start to shrink if exposed to air for too long. This step ensures it fits perfectly into your push-pop containers. Now for the fun part, assembling your push-pops. Start by gently placing a small, fluffy piece of cotton candy into the bottom of each container. Then, add a colorful layer of sprinkles right on top. Continue this layering process, alternating between cotton candy and sprinkles until your push-pop container is nicely filled. Don't overpack it. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delightful creations. Secure the lid firmly onto each push-pop container to keep the cotton candy fresh and fluffy. For a special touch, you can tie on some decorative ribbons or add custom labels. These push pops are best enjoyed immediately, so serve them up and watch everyone delight in this easy, sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.